and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about simple, natural ways to care for acne-prone skin using homemade face mask. Acne is one of the most common skin concerns, and while store-bought products can help, some of the most effective solutions are surprisingly simple and natural. Homemade face masks use ingredients that work with your skin, helping reduce inflammation, fight acne-causing bacteria, and calm irritation without harsh chemicals. Natural ingredients like honey, turmeric, aloe vera, yogurt, and clay have been used for generations to support healthier skin. They help control excess oil, soothe redness, gently exfoliate dead skin cells, and promote healing, making them especially useful for acne-prone skin. Now that we understand why these ingredients work, let's get into the masks themselves. Each of these recipes is easy to make at home and targets a specific skin concern. First is the honey and aloe vera mask, which is perfect for inflamed or irritated skin. To make it, mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply an even layer to clean skin and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. This mask helps calm redness while supporting skin healing. Next is the turmeric and yogurt mask, ideal for brightening and calming acne-prone skin. Combine 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well and apply to the face for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This mask helps reduce inflammation and gradually fade acne marks. For oily or congested skin, the clay and tea tree mask offers a deep cleanse. Mix 1 tablespoon of bentonite or kaolin clay with enough water or rose water to form a smooth paste. Add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil, apply to the skin, and let it dry completely. Rinse gently once dry to observe excess oil and cleanse pores. If your skin is sensitive, the oatmeal and honey mask provides gentle exfoliation. Mix 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with warm water to form a paste, and then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Massage gently onto the skin, leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse well. This mask helps soak up oil without irritating the skin. For stubborn breakouts, try an overnight spot treatment. Mix 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel with half a teaspoon of honey and 1 drop of tea tree oil. Apply directly to pimples before bed and rinse off in the morning. This helps reduce swelling and speed up healing. These masks work because of their powerful natural ingredients. Honey is antibacterial and healing. Yogurt exfoliates and hydrates. Turmeric reduces inflammation. Aloe vera soothes irritation. Tea tree oil fights acne-causing bacteria, and clay absorbs excess oil and impurities. Before trying any homemade face mask, always do a patch test, especially when using tea tree oil. Rinse masks thoroughly with lukewarm water and be cautious with ingredients like turmeric or lemon, as they may irritate sensitive skin or cause temporary staining. Remember, clear skin doesn't happen overnight. It's built through gentle care, consistency, and understanding what your skin truly needs. These homemade masks are simple, affordable ways to support your skin's natural healing process without harsh ingredients or complicated routines. Listen to your skin, be patient with the results, and choose the mask that works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, it really helps the channel. And if you enjoy simple natural skincare tips like these, Consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos. With time and care, healthier, calmer skin is absolutely possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.